Nakabenta ki Khubor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini long ki Khubor baman kasngi. Unong yalam barim jengka District General Secretary ke NPP East Khas Hills but President PDF Zonal Committee Melim urang ba Gilbert Laloo ulapen yasno bagaseng Meghalaya Trinamool Congress ha office tray kam kabadan halau wala chimia. Ya ute urang ba banong yalam barim jeng artli keseng sign perthai ubla Rung shaka TMC lapriang snobha da Meghalaya TMC State President ba Charles Pingro ha gajing yadon lang Meghalaya TMC Vice President ba James Lingdo. Haga jingpriang buram yu ba Gilbert Laloo haringkat kinong kershan na Meliam constituency bar ka jingrung TMC jong ba Gilbert Laloo kalong ban yakun election na Meliam constituency hi nagate gaseng. Nagaling President ka State Party uba Charles Pingrum ula ay jingker khu kerdo yu ba Gilbert Laloo ba ula penyesno sya kaseng TMC. Uba Charles Pingrup uyathu hadin shisngi ka jingwan yu kejat jong ka mamata Banerjee hasilong kum ka President Rangba ka pau ba kaseng TMC ka de kaseng jong kipat ba na Madan Madia.
He had mentioned that the son of the soil. We are all sons of the soil. But he did not mention any name. It was misinterpreted by the press. Because I was sitting next to Mr. Abhishek Banerjee, our National General Secretary, and he never mentioned that there will be any chief ministerial candidate. But if the party feels that they should have a face before the election as chief ministerial candidate, it can be the call of the party, and none of us have any objections to that. But what was being impressed was because of the people, they were thinking that, oh, because it is a party from Bengal, someone from Bengal will come and interfere in the workings of the party. But it has been made abundantly clear yesterday also by the Honorable Chairperson that the affairs of the state will be run by the party in the state itself and not by any outside interference. So that should be made clear. But regarding the chief ministerial candidate, even yesterday she said, it is up to us to decide. Saket Gokhale has brought up these issues after he has scrutinized all the documents that were available to him and in the domain, whereby he has said that whatever he has said is based on true facts and not fiction. Therefore, obviously, if it's coming from facts, if the party's stand, we will always support him.
So the government has gone overboard, that means filing case against the spokesperson.
No, they are free. This is an independent country. You can do what you want. The court of law is available to everyone. So if they feel that they should file a case against him to counter his claims, they are most welcome. Perception of the general public towards our party has been growing ever since the month of June, when Mr. Abhishek Banerjee came and inaugurated this office and had a general public meeting at State Central Library. So from then on, the people are starting to understand the ideologies of this party. Therefore, they feel that this party can work better for the betterment of the state. Yes, the coming of Honorable Chairperson Mamata Banerjee has added a fillip to that.
Yeah, now the December is going, a few days only. So when can we expect the full list, all the 60?
As soon as possible. We are, in fact, for us it is a priority. And even if you don't get the full list, you will get the majority of the list will come out.
So by December?
We want to have it before Christmas. Because after that, as you know, it is not because we are dilly-dallying. The election code of conduct also will kick in the first week of January. I mean, that's what we've been made to understand. Therefore, it will be important for all political parties, including us, that we do not delay the declaration of the candidates for all the 60 constituencies.